Today we're going to be talking about order of operations, and you may have heard PEMDAS before, but I want to do a little bit something else, and that is GEMDAS. So GEMDAS is sort of related to PEMDAS, but it's not as limited. So let me show you what this stands for. The G stands for grouping, E is exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. And I'm actually going to put parentheses around the M and D, as well as the A and the S. So this tells us to do whatever's in the grouping first, then do exponents. Then we're going to multiply or divide whatever comes first left to right, and then add or subtract whatever comes first left to right. That's order of operations. So let's take a look at this first example. If we followed GEMDAS, we're going to look for anything that's grouped first. In this example, we don't have any grouping. Next would be exponents. There are no exponents. Then it's multiply or divide, whatever comes first left to right. So we have this division right here, 16 divided by 4, which is 4. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. In our next example, we're going to do whatever the grouping is first. In this example, the grouping is parentheses. So we're going to tackle that first. So I have 6 minus 4 in the parentheses, which is 2. Just bring everything else down. Then we're going to multiply. So I have 5 times 2, which is 10. I did the multiplying first because that's what came first left to right. And then I'm going to take the 10 and divide it by 2 to give me an answer of 5. The last example here, we're going to do the grouping first, and it's always best to work from the inside out. So I actually have 2 different groupings here. There's a group in the parentheses, and then I have the brackets as well. So I'm going to work from the inside out. I'm just going to bring the 12 down. And I have in the parentheses 8 minus 7, which is 1. And then I'm going to work still inside the brackets here. So I have 6 times 1, which is 6. So I have 12 divided by 6, which is 2. I'm going to give you one example to try on your own that I haven't really shown you an example of this, but I want to see what you can do with it. So try this and we'll continue with this in class.